Today we're going to do an unboxing of the EZ-400D windshield repair system. This is one of our most popular windshield repair systems because you can easily repair 2 rock chips simultaneously. All of our systems come with a training manual and video via digital download. Also, we give you some peanuts as a token of appreciation or a midday snack. Now let's get into the kit and its contents. The B250 flip lever windshield repair bridge is the preferred choice of technicians worldwide. Our I100 spring type injector is easy to use and takes all the guesswork out. All you do is pull up and turn to the right and it does all the work for you, going in between pressure and vacuum cycles. The centering tool locates the damage for you, so no need to get inside the vehicle. A ruler is included so you can measure the length of the crack or make sure your bridge is properly leveled. The nylon stick is used to remove all the cups from the glass. The spring camera is used to clean the impact point and anchor long cracks. All you have to do is pull up and push the button. The injector end seals gives you a tight fit so the resin flows perfectly into the brake. The round tip drill bit is recommended for opening tight brakes. Tapered tip drill bits are recommended for anchoring long cracks. You also get a 100-foot roll of curing tape. Our Premium Bond 20 injection resin is creme de la creme. It's formulated so it can be used in all weather conditions and on all types of windshield repair damage. Premium Bond 3000 has superior durability to withstand the constant exposure to the elements. The pit polish adds the finishing touch and leaves the glass smooth with a transparent finish. We have a 3x magnification inspection mirror so you can inspect the damage. You get a pack of 100 curing tabs and they're reusable. We've included the compact and low maintenance B150 windshield repair bridge. This bridge comes with our stainless steel spring type I100 injector, where all you have to do is pull up and turn to the right to go in between pressure and vacuum cycles. As you can see, the system comes complete with a custom foam fitted interior to keep your tools and supplies organized. Now let's jump into the bottom tray. Safety glasses. Protect your eyes, you'd rather be safe than sorry. A dust blower is used to blow away loose glass or debris. Steel wool is used for removing hydrophobic coatings such as Rain-X or Aquapel from the windshield. The DREMEL drill comes with a drill, battery, and charger. This is used for anchoring long cracks and working with tight brakes where the resin won't flow. We also have a 12-volt battery pack and charger that powers all 12-volt accessories. You get a pack of 100 razor blades to make every repair flush to the glass. Also, pour some denatured alcohol into your cleaning jar to clean your equipment. The Elite UV light is 3 times faster than any light on the market, and it works in 12-volt and 120-volt. Lastly, we have a 100-pack of CHIPSAVERS. These are clear adhesive circles that go over the damage to keep moisture and debris out of the brake. For more information about this system or anything windshield repair related, please don't hesitate to contact us.